Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video most of you have been waiting for, how to mold your wide body kit part 1. So this is gonna be a long series because this does take a very long time to perfect and it takes a very long time to finish. So I'll show you guys exactly. Keep in mind it's about temperature outside. It's cold. I'm wearing a hat. Minus 4 degrees right now outside. Because of that, the material I'm using takes a lot longer to dry. Because of that, it's gonna have a different type of drying quality to it. So, and again, because of that, it's gonna take a little bit longer to dry fully before I can put on more coats. So it's gonna take a bit longer for me. But for you guys, depending on where you are, California, this is gonna be fine for you and all that. But anyways, so right here we have the 135i clinched wide body kits. I've already molded the rears and the front panels, as you can see right there. These are not done though. This is the second coat. Front is on the second coat as well. The other side, I haven't even put on the fenders yet. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. First things first, you're going to need a couple of tools in order to do this to the best of your abilities. First things first, I got a palm sander. It was very cheap Canadian Tire. So I got a palm sander, I got a couple of sandpapers as well. 80 grit is one of them, and let me see if I can pick them up somewhere. I think this is 300. It's gonna be 300, but 80 for sure is one of them. That's really coarse, and you need a fine one because Bondo is very hard to sand down. So you need 80 grit and then a smoother grit too. I'll be able to give that nice shape. I also have a Dremel tool. The Dremel tool is gonna help me as well to get certain parts of the kit where I'm not able to get. If I turn the camera this way, some like curved pieces, some body lines that I'm not able to show up, I need the Dremel for as well. That's an easy task. So I'm gonna take off the camera and show you the other side of the car so we know where to start from. What you're gonna see is this is basically the wrap. So the car's not gray, this is actually wrap. So of course you can't do on top of wrap. So you wanna peel all your wrap, so heats it up, take off the wrap, and then you're gonna put the body kit back on. So if I turn the camera around, so it's easier for you guys. So like I said, you're gonna take off the wrap, all that. This is ABS plastic, this is metal. What you're going to do, I use some, these are rib nuts as well. I put on washers, locking washers I believe, or washers, I don't remember. But I put on that side, screwed it down completely, drilled all the holes, made it perfect. Once I was happy with the fitment and everything, because keep in mind, once you start molding it, you cannot take it off. So once I did that, it's just Bondo. It's Bondo on top, all the way. That's all you have to do. So if I go on this side, you can see what I mean. So this is the completed side. Go over there, that's the non-completed side. So you can see I should have taken off the headlights, I should have taken off the bumper, I should have taken off the fender, but the first things first, I want to do it this way. Why? Because I don't know if you can see, I want the hood to match up. Because keep in mind, when you have to sand it down to whatever height you want. You can see this area right there is very rough, so I need to completely make sure that's level. This piece is very hard, mainly because of the fact, as you see these ridges that are created, normally when you mold on top, it's easy to hide the screw. This one, there's no ridge, so obviously there's a big bulge sticking out, so you have to cover it a lot more. And as you can see, that's going to be the result. So easy fix, little sand, another coat. You can see just like that. Then we have the other side. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to start using Bondo, now to mold this wide body kit that we have right here. So first things first, let's get to our Bondo. I also recommend using gloves as well. That's another thing, because the Bondo, when it gets on your hands, it's a mess. First things first, we got the activator. I've already used a tub. So I have the big tubs. These are 78 gram tubs from a Bondo body filler. These are the ones you want. Basically, one tub will just about complete one side. So I've already used one tub. Basically, there's not really much left in there. I might be able to finish the rest of it with just the one tub that's left, but I have another tub right there as well that I can fix up. So all you have to do, basically, it's not easy to Bondo. You need the activator, you need the Bondo. You also need cardboard or a big tray that you can use to mix the activator and the Bondo together. Anyways, you have to lay it down, and it'll turn into this. The Bondo is gray. The activator is red. It's going to turn into a pinkish color. This pinkish color is the color you want to get. And of course, after we're done making this side perfect and everything, I'm going to mask everything off. I'm going to get primer paint, and I'm going to prime over the Bondo, and sand, and then another coat of primer. Once I've done that, that's one side done. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix the Bondo, show you guys everything, and we'll get started finishing this third coat. I think 3 coats is more than enough for the side. You can see the side's a lot better. But yeah. What is going on, guys? So basically right now, before I wait for the rears to dry, I'm using the Dremel tool just to get rid of all the pits and everything in that you're gonna see. So you can see a little bit of these higher ridges here and there. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use the Dremel tool to get rid of all that. Once I use the Dremel tool to get rid of all that, I'm gonna use the palm sander that I have to get a full even sand throughout. So if I zoom in, it's not gonna show you, but there's a couple of high spots right here. Basically, just like that is a quick example of how long it takes for me to just do a couple of ridges. But again, ridge here, ridge here, ridge here, ridge here, some bumps, big ridge here. And on the front end, I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera. On the front end, there's like a super big ridge right there that I'm gonna have to deal with. And for that tool, I need this. Once I'm done with this tool, then I'm gonna do the full coat with the palm sander. I'll move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand, and I'll show you guys the final result of this entire fender when I'm done sanding. Okay, so as it starts to get super dusty in here, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what the final job looks like of the sanding. Again, 3 stages, 60, 4 stages if you want to call it. Dremel tool to get rid of all the high spots that I created, 60 grit, 100 grit, then I have 150. It came in a pack like this actually. So you can see, it's actually backwards, but I mean, it doesn't make sense. Alright, hold that and turn the camera around. So yeah, here we go. What does it say? There you go. So 60, 100, 150, and that is the final. Basically, I still have to get the spot pussy to finish it off. yeah, you know, not bad, you know. Pretty much smoother than what it was when you guys first seen it in the video. So just like that. The bags even came off the rims. I don't really care though because getting is recoated anyways. Just like that. So if I show you the rears, again I'm doing the same thing. This one I don't really need the Dremel tool because mostly it's already smooth. There's not really that many high spots. Probably just hair along here so I can make that even line. Other than that, just same thing, 60, 100, then 150, and then this side will be done as well. I'm gonna get spot putty. Once I get the spot putty, I'm gonna fill the holes that you see like there. You can see that there's some holes there. Once I get spot putty, fill it up, and then sand it down again with probably 100 or 150. I'm not doing 60 with spot putty. Spot putty is very easy to sand, very easy to sand. And then once I've done that, final coat sanding, take this fender off, prime it, and then I'm done. Well, sand again and then prime. So that is part one of how to mold your fenders. I have another parts I have to do. So basically next parts I'm gonna be putting on the spot putty for you guys, and then spot putty, prime, and then sand again, and then prime again, and then that'll be part 2. And then part 3, I'm just gonna show you guys the other side from start to finish, because basically I didn't show you guys what I did. I mean, then again, it's just putting screws on the fenders. It really is not that hard. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like down below if you did enjoy this video. I'm Alex VI, and I'm out. Peace.